Hi everybody, Megan Ambroch here, founder of Cosmetics, celebrity makeup artist, as well as licensed esthetician. Wow, that's a mouthful. Anyway, I want to share with you my most popular DIY on the website, shcosmetics.com. We have a section on there, a little drop down with all skin DIYs that you can do at home, all organic and amazing. So this one's the most popular, and I would love to share it with you because it is a detox facial that is rejuvenating and will make your skin just glow afterwards. I'm also going to show a before and after picture of myself doing the mask, but I want to just share with you how to create this. Simple and easy. All you want to do is take 1/8 of a teaspoon of turmeric and a tablespoon of organic honey. Yeah, I prefer to use all organic products, so these two are really great. Whoops. And then you're just gonna mix the two together and then just apply to the face and neck and décolleté if you like as well. And you can also double, triple this, whatever you like. Wherever you are and whoever you're living with at this time, and you can't leave the house, so you need to do something fun. This is a great thing to do. You can do it together, and you can also do this on Zoom with a bunch of friends, which is really fun. So we all right now need a little pick-me-up, so something to do. So anyway, what you do after you can mix the two ingredients together, apply it, leave it on to 20 to 30 minutes. And what I like to do is just throw it in the warm washcloth in the microwave, or just a wet washcloth, either one. And for like 10 to 15 seconds, take it out, apply it on your face. First check, make sure it's not too hot. And then leave that on your face for like 5-10 minutes and just relax. And then you can just wipe it all off, and then boom, you'll have glowing, radiant skin. And those two ingredients are so amazing. They're just gonna help to rejuvenate, detox, pull all those toxins out. It's great for any blemishes you have. And also the honey is amazing because it's a natural humectant. So what that's gonna do is gonna help to moisturize your skin from the inside out once it penetrates. And it's really, really amazing. 2 ingredients, super simple and easy. And I hope you enjoy. And if you wanna check out any more DIY, you can go to shcosmetics.com and go under DIY, and you can find many more for you to check out there. Thank you so much for joining me, and please stay healthy and safe, and hope to see you soon. Bye.